So these are the brackets that we use. We made out of PVC for these solar panels over here that we took off because they were blistered here. And you can see back here, this is why these flexible solar panels are inferior, because of the heat. This is really cheap plastic that it cannot withstand the heat. And on top of this, I messaged them when I bought these, and I never did get a response, but they have no maximum amount of solar panels that you can connect together. And it was like 2 months ago I messaged them, and I never did get a response back from them. So they're all the ones that blistered are like this. You can see they're all like that. And in fact, there was this one blistered up here. The problem I have with this is that I think this could cause a fire. So I would never put these up on top of my motorhome roof. And there's another one here with the where it melted. So what I did was I took these solar panels that were on that back wall down there, and I lined them up over here. I got 6 in series here, then it comes around, and these all 6. So it's all 12 in series. We got the negative going into the EG4 inverter, mini split. And then coming out of here, we got the positive right there, you can see. So we have that running. That's doing well. And the way the sun is right now, the sun's almost at a 90-degree angle looking down here. So I can have these solar panels really close here. You can see how close those are. What I did was I recycled some of the pieces that I used for the solar array ground array for that. And I used them on the front here instead of these long pieces. And then I just left the brackets on here. But I just have this leaning up against the wall. But this right here will do me well. I might have to move these out a little bit more, but these will do great. But you know, I only need like 400 to 600 watts to run that mini split in the garage. It really uses less than 600 and really blows out cold air and does a great job. So, but this is what we decided to do. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Have a blessed day.